So welcome back to Macorlee Travels, and today is still day 3, but I thought I'd chuck this into a video on its own with it being a bit of a longer journey. So now we're heading down towards the Millomeris Waterfall Trail. It's really quiet in the town. Hopefully it's quiet there and we can get some really nice shots. So I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to check Ben out, Ben's Live, links in the description as always. And yeah, I'll catch you there. So me and Ben have just pulled up and we've parked in the car park. We're now heading down to find the entrance for the trail for the Millomeris Waterfall Trail. Now I think I can see it now. It's like a 2-minute walk from where we parked the car. There's a bit of signage, so we're going to go and have a see what the sign says and have a see if that's the right way.
Back away so far I couldn't see how far you drifted away. Along the street, how far you drifted away. Away from me. I held your hand when time was rough. I tried to keep your feet on the you just wanna drink your beer and grab the glass and let it go down. We're going down. Now I can't hold you any longer. I can't cope 'cause you're a storm. A storm, a storm. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, walking around here, I actually feel like I'm back in the Lake District and not in Cyprus. Like, it feels like autumn in England, and it does look like the Lake District with the trees and here in the water and the rubbly paths and stuff. But obviously it's just a little bit warmer. But yeah, definitely getting Lake District vibes here.
Did we try to hard and lost it all instead? Was it all on me? Oh, you back away so far I couldn't see how far you drifted away. Along the street, how far you drifted away.
So far we've been walking for about 35 minutes, we're about halfway, but don't judge that on how long it would take if you're not stopping every 5 seconds like both of us to take pictures and videos. I think you could definitely do the full walk in probably about 20 if you just power through it and only take a handful of pictures and videos. But yeah, we're getting there, we are about halfway. I'll see you at the waterfall. So ignore massively out of breath me, but I think we might have actually took the wrong route, because we can hear the waterfall and it is, I can't even tell, like all the way down here at the bottom of here. We just keep going up. Yeah, so Ben's just seen people down there, but I know there's a car park like right near it, but obviously I took the wrong road and ended up at a different location, and then saw the trail and I was like, surely that goes to it. I don't think it does, but we'll soon see. If it does, it does. If not, I'm just going to drive to that trail and we'll walk the short trail. See you soon.
We go.
At least there's some sort of sign, even though it's graffitied with boobies and a penis. Okay, so the path, nearly. The path luckily did lead to the waterfall. Otherwise, you'd have been seeing a very different Macorlee right now, because I'd have been very angry of having to walk. We're back. I'd have been very angry and having to walk back to then drive back again. I'm just not looking forward to all of these steps all the way back up and then that massive climb to go back to the car. But we're nearly at the waterfall, so I'll catch you there.
My weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing.
So I don't know if you can hear it, but we have made it to the waterfall after them steep steps. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you now.
Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
So I'm not too sure how much of me talking you can actually hear, but this has been the waterfall that we've come to today. It's been a long journey, and what I would recommend is looking on the maps and finding a section where you can actually park in their car park, because then it would save you half, if not more, of the time that it took us. But like I say, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post. Go check Ben out, links in the description. As always, there he is again. And yeah, keep exploring the world one footprint at a time. Until next week, adios!
Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.